Hi students, in the previous class you learnt alphabets, capital letters, small letters, vowels and consonants. So even A, I, E, okay, K, 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 how to write this thing already you learnt in the previous class. Okay, so basic thing is what? You have to know what? Some names you have to learn. For example, person, place, okay, things, okay, animals, birds, flowers, then parts of body, vegetables, okay, vegetables, jobs. So this thing you have to know first. Person name, it means which spelling you are ready to tell. What is the name of the spelling? Okay, for example, Ramesh. What is the spelling of Ramesh? S-R-A-M-A-S-H. R-A-M-E-S-H. Ramesh. Is it right? Ashok. How you write it? Ashoka? Ashok. If you write Ashoka, is it right? Ramesha. If you write this like how you write in Kannada? Ashoka. Is it right? So what I am telling, Ashok. Okay, Ashok. This spelling you have to write Ashok. Ashoka. If you have a, what's happened there? Ashoka. So what you are telling? Name is what? Ashok. So just ASH. Okay, Ashok. So that like place. So Vijayapura. 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 Vijayapur. Okay. Vijayapur. Nidugundi. Names, city names you have to learn. City names, village names, talukas, countries names, you have to learn those things. Then things, whatever it may be, rubber, pencil, table, chair. Yes, that is an important thing. Names of things, whatever it may be. So then animals, so many animals are there. Wild animals are there, domestic animals are there. Those names you have to know which spelling. For example, cow, elephant, okay, deer, tiger, lion. Which spelling you have to tell. So then birds, so many birds are there. Peacock, dove, parrot, so many penguin, so many birds are there. Crow. Those names you have to know. Crow. Okay. Parrot. Pigeon. Parrot. That like you have to know the names of birds. Then flowers. So many flowers are there. Rose. Okay. Lotus. Jasmine. That like you to know the flower's name. Then parts of body, hand, leg, nose, stomach. Okay, that like you have to know the parts of body names. Okay, leg, hand. That like you have to practice. Then vegetables, carrot. Okay, brinjal, lady finger, okay, Then you have to know the leafy vegetables, leafy flowers, leafy vegetables. Then jobs, any job. Say jobs, for example, driver, engineer. Okay, this thing you have to know. These names, jobs means works, jobs mean. Okay, then so you have to know the weeks and months. That is a basic thing. Weeks and months. Which spelling you are ready to tell? Okay. So here word. What is word? What is word? Word means what? In Kannada, that is called Shabda. What means Shabda? So what kind of words we have to write? Word means what? Let us see. Just I am going to tell you what is word. Okay. See that. Some words are here. WCROW, SCHOLE, then BZA, TABEL. Okay. The one mistake is there. Okay, TABEL. Okay, then see that TALBE, then BOKO, then CHLKA. So any meaning these words give you? Any meaning? According to me, these are words. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅಥವಾ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾರ ಅರ್ಥ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಎನಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್? ಎನಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್? ನೋ. ಹೌ ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? First one. What is first one? How you make it correct word? By using the alphabets. S CROW, crow. Is it right? Crow means what? The name of the bird. That is right word or wrong? What is that? That is the right name. Okay, then come to the second one. What word you can form by using the alphabets? Okay, just school, school. Then what it is? When you come to school, you carry what? Yes, that is a bag. B is a bag. Then next it is what? TABLE, table. Is it right? Then you are using this one. What is that? S. What is that? Book. What is the spelling of book? B-O-O-K. Book. Then yes, you are also using. Most important thing teachers are using. What it is? S. That is a chalk. C-H-A-L-K. Chalk. See that these are wrong. That part is wrong. So these are right. Is it right? So it means word means what? These are words. These are meaningful words. These are meaningless. We are not calling these are words. Meaningless. Those are a meaningful word. So it means what? Word means what? Word. So you just observe each word. In each word, what you can identify, what you can see. S. That is a alphabet. S. C is there. C is one alphabet in English. R. That is another alphabet. O. W. Is it right? So it means what? It means group of letters or alphabets. A simple thing. Word is what? Group of letters. Enough? Huh? Yes, word means group of letters. Is it? It gives some. It gives some meaning. That is called word. Word means not only group of letters, that should be give a meaning. Why we can't consider these are meaningful word? Actually these are meaningless. No more meaning you can see in this part. We can't consider these are a word. Those are word because as meaning. It gives us some meaning. As crowd, school, bag, table, book, chalk. Is it right? Meaningful word na those are. So it means word is not only group of letters. It gives complete meaning or it gives some meaning. That is only word. Is it understand? Let's see next. So, alphabetical order. One more thing I want to tell you. Alphabetical order. That means what? Alphabetical order. A to Z. That is called alphabetical order. A to Z. For example, take this one. Crowd. Is it in alphabetical order? Is it alphabetical order? Which is first one? Which alphabet comes first? Sir, C. After that, yes, O. Then, after that, what alphabet you have to take next? R. Then W. That is in alphabetical order. It means C after O, O after R, R after W. It is called alphabetical order. Let's see one more example. Shirt. Shirt is there. First alphabet is what? What alphabet you want to take from the group? So first one is H. Is it right? After that, I. Okay. Then R. After that, yes. Finally, T. Is it right? That is the alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means A after B, B after C. If any alphabet skip, no more worried. Just arrange the word in alphabetical order. That is the thing. Okay. Let's see next. Word after another one topic is there, that is a sentence. Sentence. It means what? Look at the example. One example. See that? See that? I eat like Ramesh boy is. We are in class. Let's see fourth sentence. Red rose is. I pen is. Any meaning can you guess? You getting any meaning from these are the sentences? Actually, sentence is what? Sentence is yes, this here, I eat like. How you make it correct? Rearrange the sentence. Rearrange the sentence. Okay, rearrange the sentence meaningfully. Here, how you write it correctly? Yes, I like it. How you write it? I like it. Is it right? Second, how you write it? Ramesh is a boy. Second, third one. Yes, we are in our class. We are in our class. Okay, next. Rose is red. I pen use. I use pen. I use pen. So those are sentences. These are what? Yes, these are meaningless. These sentences are meaningless. So when you correct those words, those sentences, automatically that gives some meaning. How? I like it. Ramesh is a boy. We are in our class. Rose is red. I use pen. Those are correct sentences. So in that sentence, you observe words. You observe the word. Okay? I like it. Different words are there. So it means in the sentence, we use more than one word. Okay, here that is a sentence means group of words. So sentence means what? It means group of words. Words are, what is that? It is a group of words. It gives some meaning. That is a sentence. Sentence means what? A group of words. It gives complete meaning. It gives some meaning. That is only called a sentence. Okay. For example, we go to market. Okay. I use your pen. Okay. They are playing. Birds are flying in the sky. Birds are flying in the sky. Okay. The sun rises in the east. See, all these are sentences. Example, these are examples to the sentence. Sentence, it is a group of words. Sentence is what? A group of words. Okay. So homework. First, write any 20 words. 20 words. Then write any 10 sentences. What is your homework? Write any 20 words. Then second homework is there, that is write any 10 sentences. Okay. See you in the next class.